If your App Store balance is not zero and you are trying to switch visas or remove payment info, here's how to reset your iPhone's App Store balance. So launch your preferred browser and navigate to this one website, support.apple.com. Once you're over here, scroll down and navigate to the option Billing and Subscriptions. You will be directed to this page. Now scroll all the way down. Here you're going to find the option Get Support. Click on Start Now. Now different options will appear. Here you will need to select Billing and Subscription. Now click on the option More and select the option Unable to Purchase. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now over here, you're going to find the section of Contact. Under that, you're going to find the option Message. Click on that. Now you will need to fill this. In the item title, you can type in App Store Balance. And here in the description, you will need to explain that you want to empty your App Store balance. Once you type in that, you can send it. Click on Continue.